Hi everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are going to learn some simple greeting cards. We will need paper quilling pen, craft glue and circle sizer. We'll start with taking 1/4 of a paper and here I'm quilling a coil. I will need 2 of these loose coils and I'm giving it a bent teardrop shape. We will need 4 of these bent teardrops. Now I'm quilling a coil. I'm giving this a marquee shape. We'll place all the coils as shown. Now I've taken another colored paper quilling strip and I'm folding it asymmetrically. I'm applying some glue and I'll place it as the stem of these flowers. You can also use your finger to evenly spread the glue. Now I've taken another paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. I'm giving this a marquee shape. And I'm placing it like a leaf. Now I'm taking 1/4 of a sheet and I'm taking a paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. Now I'm giving a marquee shape to the coil. Now I'm quilling a coil with a different colored strip. Now I'm giving a triangular shape to this coil. Now I've taken another strip and I'm folding it into half. And I'm making a Vscroll. I'm making sure the height of the Vscroll is same, and I'm using my paper quilling pen to give it a nice curve. I'm applying some glue in the middle so that the Vscroll stays in place. I'm removing the excess glue with the help of my fingers. We will need 4 of these marquee petals. Now I'm taking half of another colored strip and I'm making a V-scroll. Now I'm taking 1/4 of a sheet. I'm taking a paper quilling strip and I'm quilling it into a coil. After which I'm giving it a curved triangular shape by pinching on 3 sides. Now I'm taking a paper quilling strip and I'm quilling a coil. I'm giving this a bent marquee shape. Now I'm taking a paper quilling strip and folding it into half. And I'm making an asymmetrical scroll which will be facing on the same side. One will be longer than the other one. We will need 3 of the triangular shaped coils. These are some basic greeting cards. Thank you for watching.